Hello everyone, welcome back to Physics Tech YouTube channel. It's me, Shafas. Did you hear about gravitational waves? What is gravitational waves? To know more about the gravitational waves, we need to go back 100 years ago. In 1915, Einstein proposed a theory called general theory of relativity. From the general theory of relativity, Einstein proposed a thing that the space-time coordinates. If a piece of a stone dropped in a pond, what will happen? There will be a ripples. Okay, a type of waves will form in the water. Similar way, the space-time coordinates. Okay, this is space-time coordinate. If you place a huge massive body on the space-time coordinate, the space-time coordinate will become a curve. This type of curve will result the formation of gravitational waves. 100 years back ago, it is just a prediction. But in 2015, the LIGO Observatory discovered the gravitational wave from a black hole. Einstein predicted it in 1915. The existence of gravitational waves, but we discovered it in 2015. 100-year difference. Science is like that. If you like this video, just share to your friends. We can meet another topic in another video.